Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your Google Home model supports Bluetooth and local controls, and ensure it has power. Once done, place the speaker near your phone so Bluetooth pairing will be reliable. Next, open the Google Home app and sign in while you still have a temporary internet connection. This stores device info locally. Make sure to record the device name exactly, because you'll need it when switching to offline modes and creating direct links between devices. Now you'll create offline pathways. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and pair with the Google Home like any speaker. This lets you stream music without Wi-Fi. If you prefer casting, create a mobile hotspot with no internet sharing and connect both devices. This gives them a local network. Once connected, configure your media apps to use Bluetooth output or cast to the device's local IP. Make sure to set the Google Home's microphone and permissions so local commands still work. Finish by testing everything. Play audio over Bluetooth, cast a local file, and try basic voice commands. Evaluate latency and reliability. If something fails, restart both devices, forget and repair Bluetooth, or recreate the hotspot to clear stale network settings. Once done, label this offline setup procedure so you can repeat it quickly. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, perform a factory reset on the Google Home and redo the sign-in and pairing steps to remove corrupt local settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.